Welcome back to Fox 10 Arizona Morning.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Corey's going to spend the rest of the morning in handcuffs.
What are you doing?
What did you do to deserve that?
Oh, yeah.
Talk about bringing back the bad memories.
Oh,
Sure, yeah.
back.
Did Celeste put those on you?
Yes, she did.
I did, actually.
Just
Well,
it's
I'm going to
Friday,
leave it
isn't
at
it?
that.
Oh, hi, Beth.
Ready for the weekend.
Yeah, it sounds
Beth,
like
you're
a
familiar
good
with
start to
these.
the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that sounds like a great weekend to me.
The earpiece in there.
As long as it's at home and not at the police station.
Well, yeah.
You don't want to.
Yeah. So you get a...
Beth just
You're stuck
got
with
off a funny. I just put my earpiece in, so
She said as long
she
as
just-
it's at home, it's a great weekend.
Not a
Yeah,
police
not a police station.
I'm
So
finding this does
somehow,
impede some of my motion.
Somehow we're going to
Yes,
have to
some.
get Corey out of this before he
Well,
goes.
Houdini and Doyle premieres Monday night.
Monday night.
So
Right.
we're
It's a
kind
new
of
show.
previewing it. It seems like an odd way to do it by putting me in harm's way. But
So you're just
Guinea
going to
pig.
stay like that?
Yeah.
I'm going to slip out of these. Celeste and I have worked up an act. We used to,
Yeah.
we had a casino act in the Deep South in the early 80s.
It's like a small casino. You know,
Yeah,
right.
not
Yeah,
big
yeah,
time.
yeah.
A lot of riverboats.
Right.
Buffet
exactly.
dinners for $9.99.
Right.
Sure. And we were
Steak.
not a feature act.
Okay.
We played like,
Velvet walls. It was kind of a cool
we had a lot of, not wild animals. I don't know if a possum and,
And a rabbit.
Speaking
Yeah.
of Deep South,
Anyway.
this is Deep
That was
South.
part of the buffet.
Deep
Today's
South.
Friday Funny comes to us from my Facebook friend